All right, sir. Can you please introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah, my name is Samuel Kofi Ajiman, the General Secretary for Musicians Union of Ghana, Musica.
What is going on here today, sir?
Today we have gathered here as Musicians Union of Ghana, specifically with the Northern region, Upper West region, Upper East region, here to learn how musicians can market their content, music, through the digital space, and that is why we are here. So the program that we are having is that using or leveraging digital tools to generate income for musicians. That is why we are here.
Looking at the musicians within this sector, what do you think their challenges are to actually make you want to organize such a program?
Yes, it has become so important because, in the olden days we used to sell our music through cassettes, CDs, and even pen drives. But now where our industry is moving to, we are no longer using this media or means of selling our product or music. Now everybody is using the digital platforms, and so we have seen the need to educate our members as to how they can take advantage of this digital means to sell their content or music, and that is why we are here. So we are having a workshop training musicians. In fact, it's a training of trainers. So we have people from all the northern sector, the Upper East, the Upper West, and then northern region, to learn how they can use the digital platforms, how they can leverage the digital tools to generate income for themselves. So when they learn this, they are going to also teach their colleagues in the various regions as to how they can use these means to market their music. That is why we are here.
Okay, so how do you make sure that those who receive the training here, transfer it to those who are not able to make it here?
So what they are doing now, we have three members each from the regions, from each region, and when they finish, we're going to set up a computer, an office for them in their regions, and we'll make sure that every musician will come and learn how. Therefore, we are going to do follow up and make sure that the knowledge that they are acquiring from here, they will impact the knowledge on their members. We are going to do follow up and make sure that it's working.
Okay, so finally, what do you have for the people of Tamale and the artists down here?
So what I want to say is that, in fact, this morning alone, I've learned a lot. That even it's not only the music. As a musician, you are a content creator. You can do so many things. When you put them on the various platforms like TikTok, WhatsApp, or whatever, you can even earn money from that. So apart from the music alone, try to create something, because these days cassette is no more, CD is no more, and even it's so hard. We have so many radio stations and TVs around. If you want to work to do all this throughout the whole nation, you can imagine how much you can spend. But with the TikTok and other platforms, with a click of your fingertip, you can reach so many people with the content that you have. And that is why we are encouraging musicians to take it upon themselves, create many contents, and make sure that you put it on the social media, various social media platforms, and it can generate money for you. That is what we are doing today.
All right, thank you.